That is it, we're there again.
Which one over there?
Miami.
Miami.
Yeah.
Miami? Them hire me.
Fish on. Fish on. Aggressive like a snapper thing, you know.
The leverage, not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage, not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright.
The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. Welcome Leverage Nation. Welcome if you're new to the channel. Remember to always like, comment, share and subscribe. You know I think got well today, Leverage Nation. We're there in Miami. You see me? So you know, so today we have
Already? Clay.
the fishing spot to find one liquor. Sitting, let's see what's going on right there, so. Go and set it up. And you know today we use live bait same way. See them there? They're live, you know, pretty, yeah. So we're there, man. See what we can catch. And you know we have over here, we have the Great Dam. Oh, we have some other fisher people around here, so. Oh, up on the other side, see them over there, so. Where you say, Dam? With the long pole.
That is it, we're there again.
Which one over there?
Miami.
Miami.
Yeah.
Miami? Them hire me. Yeah, man, you know where leverage go, you know, Leverage Nation. You know how the leverage go.
Jamaican cowboy lago.
Oh yeah? So yeah, man, Leverage Nation, we're just there. I go and enjoy the vibes. You know, in the evening and see what we can do for you know. And have fun and see. We'll throw some of the line too. But only for people are fish over there so clear, man. They not look like they not catch nothing.
Watch that. Oh, Gandhi, you know. Right now I don't know, so I normally fish from, but I try to some to see if we can get them. Too close to the mangrove there. Because the shrimp in a different waters.
Yeah, man, so just there test it out, clear there, try a thing. Yeah, man. Check in and see where I go on, you know? We are going over there, so yeah, make a move. Why are you looking at me? Yes, so Leverage Nation, just check in and see where I go on. We're there. You don't know.
My. Come down, we are catching fish.
Oh. Where you catch you, sir?
Puffer.
Puffer? Hold him up to the screen here, maybe I hold him on wicket. Where you say, puffer?
Yeah.
Puffer. Hold him up more then. The leverage nation, so damn catch a puffer. You see me? No, we can't do nothing with that.
Hold him. Don't want to get the shop up on it. Pleasant.
Yeah man, puffer. You know a thing though, you know a leverage nation. We're out here man, see puffer there. I'm gonna say hi there. Yeah man, so let's check in and see where we're going. We're out here leverage nation, is it? Yeah man. Yeah. Alright now. Let's see where I go on, you know.
They catch something over there, so it's not really.
Somewhere like over there, so you say you always want to go fish.
Yeah, but you want to want taller, man.
Oh. Yo, where you say? Fish there? Fish there? Fish there? Really?
Where this man? A fish, yeah? Something big.
The man inside fish to rotted. False alarm. Go on over there, sir.
No fish. No fish, just bite. Everything go. But we're going to hold out still so we can get. May I get bite again? I'm top now, I don't think I'm going to get. No, I'm still with the nibble, I feel it bite them. Individual, but I wonder if I should come over one door.
Where you said that one more? Where I go on? Ah, puffer. Take off thing proper, man. Boy, I catch a puffer again.
Good players there.
Sorry, you know, so. One more puffer. Come like a big puffer out here.
Go for them active, man.
Nothing go swim now.
Go on. When you hear the jump off, man.
Jump off and stuck there so. Ron, how are you doing? Change it up?
Yeah. Cut off because it get rusty. Look old, some of this is it. Some of this, let me change it out. Fish on.
Aggressive like a snapper thing, you know.
Yes, my boy, how are this, sir?
Like a grunt, yes.
Grunt.
Yeah.
One for the savings.
Great, man. Master, I'm feeling them sharp. Where bucket there?
On the play out and bucket in a car, man.
You see, look when teeth aggressive. You see, you get the rub off the pink off by this. Look where they over my mouth. Okay. Alright. I never really want to rough. Nah, I said, no, but we get down the choice. But our players are foolish. I want to find this one from me. I think you want to be at the level. Don't want to share something with me now, boy.
Come out now. That is it.
Let me pass. Yo, try to keep him around, bro.
Yo, I last beat that, you know?
Try to keep him around, bro.
I keep him, man.
Yeah.
The fish the fight aggressive still, man. I'm not lie. Aggressive, man.
Yeah.
Fish the fight aggressive, brother. More aggressive than I did expect. But yeah, so far so good. We'll probably get some more baits, so you know, lucky in state, you want them make a one bait left, so that's why we can catch with him first. But you know, you leverage. Give me a like for that one day.
Yeah, so Leverage Nation out here. I go and take in the scene, you know. In Miami here, you know. Like I was saying, you know, it's not about what you catch. It's what fun you have. That's a part of leverage. You know what thing go. You know Leverage Nation. So they out here to clear them down there the same way. We're there, man, in Miami, man, I do your thing, man. You know what thing go. I do you right for the vlog. You don't know, say a whole heap of crazy vlog we have coming up soon. You see me? Yeah, man. That's a child lined up. You know what thing go with vlogging already, so. You know Leverage Nation? Big up all of the subscribers them. Man, who not subscribe yet? Who not wait pan? Who not watch the video and not subscribe? Who not like the video and not subscribe? Come on, man. But apartheid, man. So we are going to test and see where it's going with you know? Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Come have a bitch. That probably kill you still.
That is it.
What? Yo, you see that? Me get one pick while ago.
Crazy.
I have one big fish in there, brother. You only gone with me line while ago, brother. Come on.
Crazy.
Come on with it. Let's see how hard in your jacket.
Me get the bite out of go here chat about him. Him pick heavy.
No, I see it there. Them just come up on time.
I can't tell if he's still unable or if he stop when me get too aggressive bite a while ago, brother.
Nah, yeah.
Oh man, so I can't tell if he still a bite me line or if he gone with my bait, but me get an aggressive bite a while ago. Two of them actually. He probably gone with my bait. That's funny. Nah, that's just how I still know my people, but one put back out the live stream out there, right? When I hook in them off everything left me up. What you say to me? Your leverage. I hook him through the head this time, I'll go hook him through the tail.
Hooking the live this water cockroach.
So I'm gonna get there now. Something is out there biting.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, clear me out, watch it now. Something is out there biting. So let us see. No, dog. Brother.
Too early.
Too early, brother. And I'm a biting up, boy. Alright. See what's going on.
Alright. I get one and all every year. Give me 2 seconds. Alright. Oh man. You know the money at all.
We're here chilling, Leverage Nation, by Miami shores, and we're enjoying the fishing, you know, watching Dom and Clay doing their thing. You know, this is what it is. This is what we're talking about, Leverage Nation. This is real vibes. You know what I'm saying? So let's check in and see what's going on. And we're gonna catch something else. If not, you'll be hearing about it. Right? Say right. Them not you know man, I'm a madman here. Here Leverage Nation, me, a madman, a follow. Yeah man.
We thought hook them and fish a better, come here get bait pick and I not pick up nothing.
Nothing brother, man. I pay a say and I catch it different.
And hook them different way. Hook the shrimp different way.
And hook it from the head.
Remember they hook it from the tail a while ago.
Play with the hook it from the head.
Head and tail, nothing.
Me hook it both ways.
They get bite and then man, either them and them have to date or them have come out. Something alright.
Right.
But me so fine.
I bet you make it right now. You got your head on the main part of the tail. Whatever out there, coming in soon.
Whatever is out there, you're coming in soon. Leverage.
What's that one I Leverage Nation? What's that one? Let's go.
Lock off over there, so. The park over there, so like we walk to the come around so.
Shrimp still active?
Yeah, active now.
Gosh man, the fish are going to hate me when they hook a wallet. Can I get pick? Two pick along na give me. Five.
Whoa, night I come Leverage Nation. You know it go. Still out here. Still out here trying to make it. Want more of those swim arounds, you know, but look like rain all forward down to, you know, little drizzle. So I don't know, maybe I forgot call it a wraps or something, or go and take shelter and see if it pass off. You see me?
You know, if this a fish on the pan line, you see what I go on?
Yeah, see where I go on is. Really much, no?
You know the pan, brother.
Gone with it. Yeah.
Right, but Dominic, but I get way more bites than only a cast, man. Shell off piece of my fish, brother. Piece of my shrimp.
So I go and tell him I go on at night because we have to cut some bombs, you know.
I get beer bite, it get dark, but I get some bites, so we still out here go and hold it out. You see me, beer we on the lighting for today. But still I saw we can try to grab because I get bite like crazy. So lucky in our stay tuned, you see me?
Alright.
Okay.
Alright. Bite here now.
try at that dam one time, but
Oh, then we fling him, I fling it every time. Okay, all the bait kill up.
the bait still up on it.
Only in tail them off, or I had that.
Hit them all with him tail. I go try your next live one and put him back down because I slam my live one better and this one you chow up too. And chow you up, brother. But we not give up. We have live bait same way, so we're not giving up.
That is it, man.
Oh,
Live
shit.
bait on the thing, you see me? I just there, this 1 tree. As them forward off to put it on back. Yeah, man. You think a joke thing, Leverage Nation? We out here. Oh, no, I wanna. Alright, buy one bridge with that too, you know. Yeah. Although no must can have see something like that and, you know? Notice, but there, man. So we take it serious, you see me? You can't see me, you know, so my black silhouette.
Black like car.
Silhouette. Oh, yo, vibes in a this is me Leverage Nation. Oh dear. I do the right thing in the dark, yeah. You don't know so we are fishing in the water. What's going on? Yeah, man. So you don't know. Lock in Leverage Nation, you see it? Yeah, man. We're there, man.
Get Leverage Nation. They are underneath the bridge. Nice like a snapper. You see me? While the rain a fall. But they don't know. See him there. Up and get ready to go.
You want him? You want him?
Make sure no.
Alright, so Leverage Nation, and better hurry up. Hurry up. And like up the video. I don't know if you can see me, but that is it, Leverage Nation, for the night. We're still out here, but we are called tonight because the lighting not good and whatever right now, and you know, good time.
Bait soon done too.
Yeah, bait soon.
Bait soon done. Fish them a pick, but when I get not much, I get one snapper, but some puffer fish. The snapper when I get to, you're not gonna see him, kinda small. Well, you're gonna see him already, kinda small, throw him back. And you know. But we're still out there with a couple of bait left for so we can get, but we are calling it a night because the place dark anyways.
Damn!
Yo, like, share, and subscribe, you know, man. Oh, God.
Oh gosh, hear that? Leverage!